Welcome, today in front of me Huawei Mate 20 Lite, and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So first you should select the screen where you want to add the widget. In my case that will be the new one to have a little bit more space to show you. And now just hold for a while your screen, and here you'll see the widgets icon. Just tap there and you can see here right now all the available widgets that you can add on your screen. For example, we can go with the maps or with the clock one, for example. So tap there, and here you will see the three types of clocks. For example, we can go with the digital one, and now as you can see, you can just tap once one from the widget, and that will be on your screen. Also, we'll just remove this one. If you want, you can just move the screen here on this screen, widget, and also you can create the new screen with the widgets. Just hold for a while the widget and drag it, for example, here to the subsection, or also you can just move it to the previously screens are here. As can you see, we got the same widget. So we'll go back here now, and if you want, you can add one more widget here. For example, that can be the calendar, and for example we can go with the shadow. Just tap once, and here you can see our new widget. You can change the size of this widget, you can make it bigger or smaller. Also, you can move this widget here on the screen or between the screens, and if you want to just remove the widget, just hold for a while and drag it here to the remove section. And by the same way, we can remove the second widget. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.